So in the previous video we have seen how to represent the equation on the graph. Now we will see the method, which is graphical method to represent to find the solution of the simultaneous equation. Earlier we have two methods. First one is elimination method and another one is substitution method to find the solution of the simultaneous equation. Now we will see another method, which is graphical method to find the solution of the simultaneous equation. Okay. For that we have to represent separately, first of all, that line, that equation, and secondly this one. Okay. For that we need to make two tables. Okay. That and we have to find 8 order pairs, that means 4 order pairs for that line and 4 order pairs for that one. So first of all we need to draw two tables. So I have drawn that two tables, xy order pair xy or xy order pair xy. So now we will find 4 order pairs for that line x plus y, which is equal to 4. So our equation is x plus y, which is equal to 4. Now we have to take any value of x. So suppose we are taking the value of x as a minus 1, we can take any value. Here we are taking value of x as a minus 1. So after taking value of x as a minus 1, our equation is minus x plus y, which is equal to 4. So minus 1 plus y, which is equal to 4. So y will be equal to 4. That minus 1 will go to the right hand side, it will become plus 1. So the y will be equal to 4 plus 1 will be 5. So whenever we will taking value of value of x as a minus 1, we are getting value of y as a 5. So order pair will be minus 1 comma 5. So this is our first order pair, minus 1 comma 5. Now we have to find another value. Now we will take the value of x as a 4, that we are writing over here. So our equation is x plus y, which is equal to 4. Now substitute the value of x as a 4. 4 plus y, which is equal to 4. So y will be equal to 4 minus 4. So y will be equal to 0. So whenever the value of x we are taking as a 4, on that time we are getting the value of y as a 0. Here. So our order pair will be 4 comma 0. So this is our second order pair. Now we have to find two more order pairs. So suppose we are taking the value of x as a 1. Our equation is x plus y, which is equal to 4. That is our equation. So put the value of x as a 1 plus y, which is equal to 4. So y will be equal to 4. That 1 will become minus 1 whenever it will shift to the right hand side. So y will be equal to 3. So if we are taking the value of x as of 1, we are getting the value of y as a 3. So next order pair is 1 comma 3. Now we have to find one more order pair, fourth one. Suppose we are taking the value of x as a 6. Okay, and now we have to find the value of y. Our equation is x plus y, which is equal to 4. So substitute the value of x as a 6 plus y, which is equal to 4. So y will equal to 4 minus 6. Y will be equal to minus 2. So whenever the value of x as a 6 we are taking, we are getting the value of y as a minus 2. So next order pair will be 6 comma minus 2. That is our fourth order pair. Now we have to find the 4 order pairs for the second equation, which is 2x plus y, which is equal to 2. So our next equation is 2x comma y, which is equal to 2. Okay. Now here we are taking the value of x as a 0. You can take any value. So suppose we are taking the value of x as a 0. So put the value of x as a 0 over here. 2 comma 0. 2 multiplication 0 minus y will be equal to 2. 2 multiplication with 0 will be 0 minus y, which is equal to 2. So we are getting minus y as a, which is equal to 2. So y will be equal to minus 2. So whenever we are taking value of x as a 0, we are getting value of y as a minus 2. So our order pair will be 0 comma minus 2. We need to find 3 more order pairs. Our equation is 2x minus y, which is equal to 2. So suppose we are taking the value of x as a 1. Okay. After taking the value of x as a 1, 2 into 1 minus y will be equal to 2. So 2 minus y which is equal to 2, minus y will be equal to 2 minus 2. So minus y will be equal to 0 and y will be equal to 0. So if we are taking the value of x as a 1, we are getting value of y as a 0. So next order pair will be 1, 0. We need to find two more order pairs. We can take any value of x. Now here we will take the value of x as a 3. Our equation is 2x minus y which is equal to 2. So suppose we are taking the value of x as a 3. 2 multiplication 3 minus y will be equal to 2. 2 multiplication with 3 will be 6. 2 into 3 is 6. Minus y will be equal to 2. Minus y will be equal to 2. That 6 is become negative. Minus 6. So minus y will be equal to minus 4. Y will be equal to 4. Whenever we are taking the value of x as a 3, we are getting the value of y as a 4. So 4. 3, 4, that will be our next order pair. We need to find one more order pair. Suppose we are taking the value of x as a minus 1. Our equation is 2x minus y which is equal to 2. So 2 multiplication minus 1 minus y will be equal to 2. Now 2 multiplication with the minus 1 will be minus 2. Minus y will be equal to 2. So that minus 2 will shift to the right hand side. So 2 plus 2. So minus y will be equal to 4. So y will be equal to minus 4. That will be our solution. So whenever we are taking the value of x as a minus 1, we are getting the value of y as a minus 4. So our next order pair will be minus 1, minus 4. Okay, so here we got 4 order pairs for that equation and 4 order pair for this another equation. Now we will represent that total 8 order pairs on that graph, and we will after plotting that coordinates, that means that order pairs on the graph, we will be finding where are they intersecting. That will be the solution. That will be the solution of the simultaneous equation. So here we got 8 order pairs. Now we will represent that 4 order pair first on the graph, and again after that we will represent that 4 order pairs on the graph. Okay. So first of all, that first order pair is minus 1, 5. So minus 1 on x axis and 5 on y axis. So that will be here minus 1, 5. That line, that point. Second one is 4, 0. That means 4 on x axis and 0 on y. That means here 4, 0. That point. After that 1, 3. So 1 on x axis and 3 on y axis. This point. 1, 3. Okay. After that 6, minus 2. So the 6 on the x axis and minus 2, that point will be here. 6, minus 2. So now here we have represented all the 4 points on the graph. Now we will try to make one line that should go from one straight line. Okay. So suppose this is a line which is going from all the 4 points, and the equation of that line will be x plus y which is equal to 4. We can write here x plus y which is equal to 4. That is a line. Now we will represent another 4 order pairs on that same graph paper, so that we will able to find where are they intersecting. That will be the solution. So the first point is 0, 2. So 0 on x axis and minus 2. Sorry, 0, minus 2. 0 on x axis, minus 2 on y axis. So that will be here 0, minus 2. Next point is 1, 0. So on x axis 1 and y axis on y axis 0. So 1 comma 0, that point is here. After that 3 comma 4, 3 on x axis and 4 on y axis. So 3 comma 4 will be here somewhere. 3 comma 4. And next last point is minus 1 comma minus 4. Minus 1 on x axis and minus 4 on y axis. So that will be here somewhere. Minus 1 comma minus 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 on that 4 points. Now we will draw one line which will be passing through from that 4 point. Okay, that line will be like that. And that line is having equation as a 2x minus y, which is equal to 2. So now you can see that two lines are intersecting somewhere, and that point of intersection, if you draw on a graph, okay, if you will have to draw that graph. That means you have to plot that points on the graph paper, okay, so that you will get the correct answer, so that you will get the correct point of intersection. Now you can able to see here that the point of intersection of the 2 points are somewhere here, okay. That point of intersection of 2 lines are here somewhere, and that points are seems like 2 comma 2, 2 on x axis and 2 on y axis. That means here somewhere. So we got point as a 2 comma 2. So that 2 comma 2, the value of x as a 2, value of y as a 2. That will be the solution. That will be the solution of that 2 equation. So this is how you have to solve that simultaneously, and this is how you have to find the solution. So finally the solution, therefore solution is x is equal to 2 comma y is equal to 2, or we can write as order pair xy, this is equal to 2 comma 2. So this is how we have to find, we have to solve that simultaneous equation by graphically. That means first of all we need to find the 4 order pairs from first equation. After that we need to find the 4 order pairs from another equation, and we need to plot on the graph. After that find the point of intersection. That point of intersection will be the solution of the simultaneous equation. This is how we have to solve that equation by using graphical method. Okay. So students, this is a practice at 1.2. That homework I have given to you. Look here, the question number 1 is complete the following table and draw the graph of the equation. Over here you have to draw the graph only. So equation is given x plus y is equal to 3, and the table is also drawn. Look here, the value of x is given 3. So substitute the value of x in the equation and find the value of y. Whichever will be value, that will be put here. An order pair will be like that. And look here, secondly, they have given the value of y. So for that, put the value of y in the equation. That means this equation. Value of y will be here, and find the value of x. That will be order pair here. Similarly here also, the table is for that second equation, which is x minus y is equal to 4. Value of x is not given, so put the value of y. Value of y is given, which is 0. Put the value 0 over here, and find the value of x. That will be order pair here. Similarly, accordingly, you have to solve the second and third. You will get 3 points. Now that 3 points you have to draw, and you have to represent on the graph, on the separate graph. Okay, don't find the simultaneous equation. Okay, don't solve that simultaneously. Just draw on a separate graph. This is a representation on equation number 1. Now look at the question number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equation graphically. Now look here, this one is a solve the following simultaneous equation graphically. That means 2 equations are given in one question. You will have to make the table like that, find the 4 order pairs. Here also make another table, find the 4 order pairs, and after that represent that total 8 order pairs on the same graph, so that you will get the point of intersection of 2 lines, and that point of intersection, wherever they will meet, that point of intersection will be the solution of the simultaneous equation by graphically method. Okay.